A very good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to study about the sugar industries. So we all know sugar industries are agro-based industry. So raw material is sugarcane and it produces power, fiber, alcohol and biocompost. So from sugar industry there is no waste produced. So it has a capacity of 45 kiloliters of per ton, 12 million liters of alcohol production per year, 12 megawatt cogeneration plant, and they are producing a surplus of 3 to 4 megawatt surplus power. So this is the overall flow chart of the sugar industry. So now we are going to study about the biocomposting process. Feed for composting is the filter cake and the spent wash from distillery unit. The presence of unused sugars, which are readily decomposable organic spent wash containing inactivated yeast biomass, is rich in highly putrefiable organics. The waste decomposed rapidly, giving obnoxious odors of hydrogen sulfide. The high concentration of inorganic salts affecting the establishment of pure productive. The dark brown color associated with the effluent causes aesthetic pollution. The biocomposting process, the best treatment and disposal method for bagasse. The cost of composting is also very low when compared to other alternatives. The filter cake or the press mud from the sugar industry and the spent wash from the distillery are converted into useful nutrient-rich biocompost using the composting technique. So windrow composting or aerobic microbial solid waste fermentation is used. So filter cake formed into windrows of 1.5 meter by 4 meter wide. Moisture content reduced to 60%. Hence, the spraying of spent wash from the distillery waste from the distillery unit. Consortium of microorganisms at different time, trimming and tilling of aero tiller for providing aerobic conditions, or it is tilled once in 2 days. Dried and reduction in weight and derived and sieved ready for packing. The characteristics of distillery spent washes. So BOD is around in 1% leachate. COD is around 80,000 to 2 lakh milligram per liter. pH is around 3.5 to 4.5. So odor is repulsive and strong. Color is dark brown. And CN ratio is 35:1. Wax is 8 to 15%. Humic acid negligible. Final value after composting. So the pH is 7 to 8. Mild pleasant smell. Black in color. So the CN ratio is 10:1. It is below 1%. More than 4%. So this is the final value of composting. After the BOD and COD is also reduced to 100 milligram per liter and COD is 500 milligram per liter. Characteristics of filter cake based compost. So the moisture content is around 30 to 35%. So organic carbon is 23 to 26%. So the NPK content is also increased after the composting process and the pH is rise from 4 to 5. The normal pH of the distillery spent wash is around 4 and after composting the pH is increased to 7 to 8. The main purpose is to control certain parameters of the effluent and this is sent to the irrigation lands using the same. The tolerance limits for disposal of wastewater. The dissolved solid is 2100 maximum inland surface water. On land for irrigation is 2100. pH is 5.5 to 9. Here also it is 5.5 to 9. Temperature is less than 90 degree. Oil and grease is 10. Ammonia nitrogen is should be less than 50. Total nitrogen is 100 milligram per liter. Free ammonia is 5. BOD 5 of 30 for inland surface water. 100 for irrigation. So BOD can be high. COD should be 250 for surface water, 300 for irrigation. So color of solids is 100, suspended solids 100. Sources of wastewater. The source of wastewater from sugar industries are, so from the processing of this molasses we get spent wash. So after that we get spent lees as the wastewater from distillery unit. Yeast sludge from the fermenter, condenser water, spillage, pump and gland leakages, floor washing, boiler blowdown. So these are the sources of wastewater generated in a sugar industry. So to treat this, so we have a effluent treatment plant at Rajshri Sugars. So there is a collection tank, oil remover or catcher, flash mixer, primary primary mix aeration tank, clarifier and slush drying beds. So these are the operating parameters. Reasons for high quality effluent: the waste reduction at source, cleaning instead of water washing, arresting the leakage, so proper removal of sludge in primary settling tank, proper aeration with frequent maintenance, and maintenance of mixed liquor, suspended solids and food to microorganism ratio. Thank you.